Fellow students, welcome to your SmartPLS video series. Video number 2. In this video I am going to introduce you to how you can download a free version of SmartPLS software for structural equation modeling. Okay, let's go ahead. To get a new version or to get a student or a free version, we simply go into google.com, as you see here. So simply you can Google SmartPLS. As you do, you will get this download link. You click on the download link and you will have two options here. If you are a Macintosh or a Mac user, you go with this installer. If you are a Windows user, you go with this installer. For instance, I am a Windows user. I simply click this installer and save it wherever I want to save it, and then install the software. Okay, before proceeding here, let's just have a look on SmartPLS as a product. Okay, and we just go to their plans or options. As you see here, okay, use cookies. We can go into pricing, for instance. Okay, and you will see a student version is free of charge. However, this student version has some limitations. You can go into a professional commercial use or enterprise version. For students, this is more than enough. It's very adequate for student use, and also the price of this is, you can have it for free, however, as a student version to start with. But if you need kind of like more criteria or more functions and abilities to use with the software, you simply go into a professional academic use version, and you simply provide your student ID and get it at a price of 22 euros per month. And this is very reasonable, and with this version you can do as much as you can do with this version. It is very adequate. You can have most of the functions that you need, if not all the functions. Okay, I have already the software installed on my computer. Let's just have a quick look in this video, simply a quick look on the software. As you notice here, this is the software already installed on my computer. I have many projects that I have already started. Simply, to start a new project, you click here, a new project, you can name it whatever, SmartPLS Video 1, for instance, and click OK. Okay. And here, once you create this, you will have the option here. You simply click here to import the data, whatever data you got, a data set. Later on we'll discuss every single item in a separate video, or every single function. And here you can have the place here where you can start a drawing or start your structural equation model diagram on this canvas. On this canvas you can click grid to have this grid look, or you can remove this. You get options to color. For instance, here you have, we're going to have a quick walk through the functions. For the latent variables, for instance, let's see, we are studying the impact of intelligence on, let's say, a student performance. Intelligence is one latent variable. This is a latent variable, and the student performance is another latent variable. Okay, and simply we connect them this way. Okay, connect them this way. You can simply rename the latent variable title, simply typing intelligence, and this is renamed as our student performance as the dependent variable. Okay, but you've got to have data in place. This is where you can import the data. It can be in several formats. However, the CSV, comma delimited format is the mostly accepted or used format for data import here. You can change colors. Even the colors will change as you import the data. Once you have your data in and your model fully drawn, you can have, for instance, this is the latent variable, and as you import the questions, the observable variables, they will simply be included in this diagram. Okay, we can have additional variables, for instance, this way, as many variables as you wish, and simply connect them to the independent variables, for instance, or you can have also, this can be as a mediator variables. You can add the mediator variables, mediation variables, or moderating variables. Okay, and as the data is important, you can simply start doing the calculations that you may need, and we'll come to these calculations one at a time in a separate video. If you wish, for instance, to have a download for the diagram or the model that you have worked on, you simply export it as image to file or as image to clipboard from the file option here. You can save it. You simply click save. This is for video number 2. Please stay tuned for the coming videos in which we're going to start the real applications of SmartPLS. Thank you very much.